Consultant Physician Staff Association President Dr. Sabrika Butler is slamming the behavior of some politicians and their supporters on nomination day, charging that the irresponsible conduct displayed could make an already frightening COVID situation worse.
I definitely don't think it was the responsible thing to do. I think that all of the persons involved should have limited the numbers of their supporters. I absolutely understand the importance of being able to know and for you to feel like you have support, but it could have been done in a different fashion.
Hundreds of party faithful showed up to nomination sites across the country to support their candidates. Multiple candidates had rush outs and were surrounded by scores of people, some of whom didn't wear masks at all or wore them improperly. Then there were the countless motorcades, which in some instances ended in people gathering outside their cars. Butler decried the behavior.
Certainly nomination day potentially can be seen in that light. There's something that we hoped, we spoke to even before it occurred, to try to get the word out for persons to be mindful of those things so that we don't end up worsening our situation in country.
However, Health Minister Ranwood Wells isn't of the same view. He was one of those candidates who had a motorcade on nomination day. When asked about the large gatherings and lack of social distancing, he brushed off concerns that some were irresponsible on nomination day.
There were campaigns where folks were responsive, and there were those where when individuals came out, they had to deal with the circumstance that they found. At the end of the day, I believe that you had campaign teams that were usually together. I think as long as it's grouping of individuals who were usually together in those groups of 5, and especially if folks were vaccinated. I know in my campaign in Bamboo Town, every one of my campaign workers, all 40 plus of them, have been vaccinated.
More than 3,000 COVID-19 cases were recorded in the Bahamas in the month of August. There have been 77 COVID deaths confirmed between August 1st and 27th, making it the worst month since the start of the pandemic. Reporting for the Guardian News Network, I'm Berthany McDermott.